Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for September 7th to 19th. First, going to take a quick look at Gordon. This is Gordon. It looks a little better. You can see a little bit of a circulation. And you can see, if you look closely here, I'll zoom in. These are the overshooting tops of the thunderstorms. One thing we're going to look at now, this is the current position. This is 29.4 north, 87.8 west, winds of 70 miles per hour with gusts 85. This movement is to the west, northwest at 15 miles per hour. Pressure is 29.52 inches. It's about 90 miles south of Mobile, Alabama. Here's another thing. This is the rainfall forecast for Gordon. We're expecting the highest amounts here above 8 inches. But then, as this system moves inland, it'll spread a lot of heavy rain across portions of the central southern plains, the lower Mississippi Valley, the Ohio Valley into the Mid-Atlantic. That'll be later in the week. Another thing we've got to look at, this is the storm surge. Storm surge looks fairly low at this point, about maybe 1 to 3 feet across here. So it's ready to be getting ready to strike in this area here. We're going to get to the forecast because I'm running late. Okay, we're going to get to the forecast. This is for the period for September 7th to the 11th. Okay, the 7th to the 11th, that's what we have here. We have a very strong ridge here over the Bering Sea, trough here to the south. And we have really like two ridges. One is centered here and one is here. They'll merge together. And you can see that as I go through some of the models. You can see the difference where the two ridges, they join. See right here, this is in the European deterministics. This shows a ridge well, and then they kind of merge later on. So this is what we're forecasting here. We have above normal heights across much of the nation. So weakening Tropical Storm Gordon. We're going to get to the other maps now. Okay, okay, here. We're going to see Gordon. Now, this is the, we're going to first look at the GFS. This is the GFS. Here's Gordon right here. You can see it very well. And then it kind of merge, become extratropical and merge with a frontal system across this area here. Will be some enhanced rainfall this Thursday, Friday, and you can see it here. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You can see here's a big trail of heavy rain. Tuesday, that's the GFS. Now we'll take a look at the European. Here it is right here. I think the models are really underestimating this. You can see here's the heaviest rainfall. You can follow it. Right here, it goes into the Midwest. And persistent moisture in the southern states will result in periods of heavy rainfall and energy aloft, and a surface trough may enhance rainfalls across Florida. High pressure building into the northeast will bring a pronounced cooling trend. The southern Mid-Atlantic and the southeast will remain south of a stall front and will experience above normal temperatures, while broader portions of the east will see warm temperatures due to the moist flow ahead of Gordon, because they'll bring a lot of tropical air north, and the central plains will experience below normal temperatures. September 10th to the 14th. Here at the 10th, the flow remains generally unchanged. except we might see this trough here kind of slide slowly eastward. You see it's here, but it doesn't really get established until later in the period. So the models are pretty good agreement. We still have this ridge here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting... where are my maps? Bear with me. Just bear with me. I'm going to get them because I have so many maps up there. Okay, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of about 4 degrees below normal. And then we'll have generally above normal temperatures here with anomalies of close to 12 degrees above normal. The highest anomalies will be across the west. And for precipitation, just the right map. Yep. Above normal precipitation is forecast for here, for Western Oregon, and for this area here. And the probability of occurrence is about 35 to 45%, and then we have below normal temperatures here. This wasn't put in the forecast, it was missing, and the probability of occurrence is about 35 to 45%. Now we'll look at the period for September 15th to the 19th. Generally, we're looking at a trough here over Western Canada and the Northwest. We still have our ridge here. Zone of flow with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. So the models are good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here with anomalies of 6 degrees below normal. And we have near to above normal temperatures across much of the nation. Forecast anomalies of 6 to 12. The greater anomalies will be here in the southwest. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and we have below normal precipitation forecast for the Four Corners, forecast anomalies of 35%, or the forecast of occurrence is 35%. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion for September 7th to the 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.